This is a demo vendor on this application. You can see that he has 3 trips published. Let's take a look at one of his trips. This takes us to the booking page. Click on Book Now to get started. Let's select one of the trip packages to book. You can decide how many participants you would want to book for. Select your payment option. I will select the Pay Deposit option and click Continue. This is where we are going. The next page is called the Participant Information page. By default, this application would require that those booking your trip will provide the following mandatory details: first name, last name, phone number, and address. I would like to show you how this application created a form feature that enables trip vendors to create question and answer fields within the trip creation process. These fields will now be available for those booking your trip to fill out before completing their bookings. Let me show you how to create it. Get back to your dashboard as a trip creator. Click on View Trips. The trips that you already created will appear here. Click the Action button and select Edit. This will enable you to edit your trip. Select the Participant tab and click Add Question to get started. The Form menu will pop up. You can decide if a question is mandatory or not by just toggling the required option. The question type will show you the list of type of questions form that you can create. By default, it has the text question type. Let's provide the text-based question type. Let's use this type of question to collect users' information such middle name or anything you think your trip need from those booking it. Let's add more questions by clicking the Add Question button and select File Question Type. Does your trip require your guests to upload any form of file? This is the perfect question type for this requirement. Let's ask the user to upload their passport ID card. The Date question type is best for collecting date of birth or anything that has to do with date. The checkbox question type is best for questions that require the user to select at least one option. Let's make this question required and let's ask our user their gender. What is your gender? This type of question type requires that you also provide the required answer options. You can add as many as you want. Click the Add More Answer option to add another option as you wish, and click the Other key to add Other to your answer option list. The multiple choice question type gives you the freedom to create a question type that allows the user to select more than one answer option. For example, how did you hear about us? Now that we are done setting up our question form, let's update the trip to save the changes. Now that the changes have been saved, let's check out the booking page once again to see the questions in action. Now you can see all the questions that I created for this trip and the fields to fill them up before completing the booking.